here trying to do my work, and guess what? I have an invader. This little invader is not allowing me to do my work. Now, tell me, why is it your hair? What are you looking at? What is it you want? All right, so I am going to showcase you since you keep watching. And there is the little invader. Now, little invader, how can I help you? How can I help you, little invader? Can you please? Hey, don't bite my shirt, you little invader. I need to get some work done. Hey, I ain't rubbing no head. All right. You want me to rub head? Okay. Let me rub your head. All right. There it is. And that is enough. Enough, enough, enough. All right. I'm done. Done, 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 done. Now, it's time for you to go back to your little cage you waiting. So here is a little invader. Now, what is it you want? Hmm? Are you going to give me a chance to use my computer? Get out of my hair. Huh? Hey, hey, don't put a hole in my shirt, you little birdie. Huh? Why you like to do that? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me why you like to do that. Why you like to do that, huh? Why you like to put a little hole in my shirt? All right, so you're going back down. All right? All right, bye-bye. What is it you want, eh? Tell me what is it you want. You want to say ABC today? You want to say ABC today? A? No? What do you mean by no? Why you don't like ABC? A? B? Hey, mister, I'm talking to you. It's ABC time. A? Or you want to count? Let's count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. What? Don't tell me no. 1. Hey, 1. No dancing. No dancing. 1. Sonny. 1. Hey, Birdie. Sonny boy. You want to count? 1, 2, 3. 1. Why are you so lazy today? You don't want to count? All right, well, you got to do something. If you don't want to do something, then you got to let me go back to my work. What? 1. All right, you're not in a counting mood, so you got to go down then. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, sonny boy. Bye-bye. Okay, you want to do something else? What is it you want to do? Tell me what you want to do. Hey, if you do make boo-boo on me today, I'm going to clap your little rumple. Why you want to make boo-boo on me today? Why you want to make boo-boo? Why you want to make boo-boo? Why you want to make boo-boo? Why you want to make boo-boo, boo-boo, boo-boo? Say bye-bye to the people. Say bye, people. Say bye-bye, people. All right, do a little counting for me. 1. Hey, hey, stop making boo-boo on me. Ooh. Say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sonny. Okay. Morvet. Come on, say it much better than that. Marvet. Sonny. I just can't deal with this bird. This bird is way too clean. Always cleaning. Always cleaning. Sonny, are you gonna stop? Hey, I'm talking to you, fella. Hey, little fella, I'm talking to you. Marvet? What? Marvet? Yes. Marvet. All right, that's it. Marvet. Marvet. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Marvet. All right. All righty. Bye-bye. Go down. Not on my keyboard, okay? Not on my keyboard. I'm busy. I am busy. All right. You want me to rub your head? All right. Come back up. Come back up. Hey, get off my shirt. Get off my shirt. No peeking. Come on up. Come on up. Hey. Come on up. Hey. 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 All right, let me rub your head for you a little bit, just a little bit. All right, just a little. All right, and that's about it. And I'm done with the head rubbing now. All right, that's it. Time up. Sunny, time is up. Time is up. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye to the people. Come on, say bye to the people. Hey, say bye to the people. Say bye, everyone. My name is Sunny Boy. I like to take shower and I like to be clean. I like to pick my feathers and I also like to do makeup. So, do you want to get your beak oil? Huh? So, what Marvet like to use a lot? Papaya seed, right? So we're gonna put some papaya seed on the beak. Huh? You want to get your face done up too? You want some papaya seed on the beak? All right. All right. And now we're going to oil the beak. Warm the oil in the hand. And let's do the beaky. Let's warm the beak. All right. Now you're going to wipe it off because you don't like the taste of that. It's not nice, right? Look at you. Ooh, your beak is pretty and shiny and glowing. But you want to oil your beak again? Come, let me wipe it. All right. So there you go. Show them your beak, how oily it is. Look at your beak. Now you want to do some feathers? So like, no, I don't do feathers. Huh? Hey, you want to play with my nails? Hey, what are you doing with my nails? Want to play with my nails? Huh? Nah, get off. All right, time to go. Say bye-bye. Sunny, don't put a hole in my shirt. Stop, you little birdie. Stop. Okay, no more playing. I'm done. I am done playing with you. I am done playing with you. All right, ta-da, later. Sunny, later. Sunny, you want some gum? You want chewing gum? No, I ain't rubbing no more head. All right, go down. Go. Bye-bye. Ta-ta. You want to get your face done too? Dang. I know how to get you, Bobo. Alrighty. So that's how I get rid of Sunny Boy. He's gone. Sunny?